Let me be honest with you. Most business from home videos are useless. It's the same recycled ideas over and over: surveys, dropshipping, freelancing, and half the people talking about them have never built anything. So instead of giving you 20 random ideas that sound good in theory, I'm going to show you real businesses people are actually running from home right now. Let's get into it. First idea: selling homemade products. If you already make things, candles, soaps, jewelry, art, crochet, home decor, you're closer to a business than you think. A lot of small brands started at someone's kitchen table. The difference isn't magic. It's presentation, branding, and consistency. When something feels personal and unique, people will pay for it. Now, income here depends on demand and how well you market it. Some people treat it as a side hustle and make a few $100s a month. It usually starts small, but it can grow. Second, digital products. This is one of my favorites because it scales. Digital products can be templates, guides, printable planners, design patterns, stock photos, music, digital art, anything someone can download. You create it once and sell it unlimited times. No inventory, no shipping, no restocking. Some creators make an extra $200 to $500 a month from one good product. It's not instant, but it's powerful because you're not trading hours for every sale. Now, let's talk about local home-based businesses. If you're good with dogs, starting a dog grooming service from home can be very solid. The pet industry is massive, and people consistently spend money on their pets. If you build a small client base in your area, it's realistic to make $500 to $2,000 per month part-time. And some people eventually turn it into full grooming studios. You don't need to start big. You start with neighbors. Word spreads. Here's a more modern one: building an audience around something real. That could be documenting your life abroad, sharing your journey moving countries, teaching people how to use tech, or even building a social media account around your pet. At first, you make nothing, but as your audience grows, income can come from ads, affiliate links, brand deals, or selling your own digital products. Some creators make a few hundred a month. Others scale to thousands once they build momentum. But this one requires patience. It's not quick money. It's leverage over time. Now here's the part most people don't want to hear. None of these ideas work if you quit in 30 days. The difference between someone making zero and someone making $3,000 a month from home usually isn't intelligence. It's consistency. It's testing. It's sticking with one idea long enough to improve it. You don't need 5 businesses. You need one that fits your personality. If you like creating, sell products. If you like designing, sell digital files. If you like animals, start a pet service. If you like sharing, build content. Stop looking for the perfect idea. Pick one. Start small. So tell me which one of these actually fits you.